Just 1 cup a day to remove wrinkles. This simple homemade drink is an easy, natural way to help your skin maintain its radiant and youthful glow despite aging. The ingredients are 1 tablespoon of raw natural honey, 1 cup of almond milk or soy milk, 1/4 of an avocado, the juice of half a lemon or lime, a handful of spinach or kale, a handful of any kind of berries. Simply blend all of them together and you now have a powerful drink that can help you combat the signs of skin aging. The main feature of this drink is that it helps boost your body's collagen production. So let's discuss, what is collagen and why is it so important in skin health? Collagen is a kind of protein that is the main component of the skin's inner layer. Its main function is to keep the skin's strength and elasticity. But as we age, the production of collagen in the body decreases. Also, prolonged exposure to the harmful rays of the sun causes the collagen to break down. All of this contributes to the skin's loss of elasticity, leading to wrinkles and fine lines. And the recipe we just showed you combats just that. Its ingredients boost the body's collagen production and give your skin the nutrients it needs to stay healthy and young. Raw natural honey is rich in antioxidants and zinc that protects and nourishes the skin. It also has antibacterial properties which prevent infections on the skin that can worsen signs of aging. Furthermore, raw honey contains beneficial substances called alpha-hydroxy acids, which are natural plant compounds that get rid of dead skin cells. Almond milk and soy milk soften and nourish the skin since they contain proteins that promote collagen production. Almond milk also has vitamin E, which protects the skin from sun damage. Meanwhile, soybeans, which are used to make soy milk, contain linoleic acid, a kind of fatty acid with antioxidant properties that help fight the signs of skin aging. In fact, studies have shown that soy milk helps reduce the visible signs of skin aging due to frequent sun exposure. If you're finding this video helpful so far, give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more health-related videos, and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified once we upload a new video. Moving on, avocados contain zeaxanthin and lutein, which are antioxidants that help protect the skin from frequent sun exposure. They're also a rich source of healthy fats and vitamin E that help maintain the skin's elasticity. Meanwhile, lemon and lime are loaded with vitamin C, which is necessary for collagen production. And then we have spinach and kale. Green leafy vegetables like spinach and kale are a rich source of vitamin C, which is essential for the body's collagen production. Vitamin C is a type of nutrient that is not naturally produced by the body, so it is important to have a diet consisting of fresh vegetables and fruits to get your daily dose of vitamin C. Plus, kale and spinach contain vitamin E and antioxidants that help prevent the breaking down of collagen that happens due to aging. Next, berries. Berries are another ingredient of this drink that gives it a load of vitamin C to aid collagen production. It also contains silagic acid, an antioxidant which has been proven to reduce wrinkles and protect the skin from the harmful effects of prolonged sun exposure. Those ingredients truly are so powerful to naturally help you maintain beautiful skin and fight aging. Also, along with drinking this homemade drink regularly, don't forget to eat a well-balanced, nutritious diet and stay hydrated. And since we're already talking about natural remedies that are easy to do at home, we also recommend that you check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, where you'll find 800 plus medicinal plants that would replace every drug in your cabinet. It includes recipes of teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has a high-definition, color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. Check out the link in the description box below to know more about this special book. That's it for today's video. We hope you learned something new today. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned because we have more informative health videos to share with you very soon. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.